Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing my presentation for you. This is going to be, let's see, this is the ideal slide and title for your presentation. All right, this is the bad example. I'm just kidding. So the problem is, first off, we have a lizard creature. It's an irrelevant photo. It should not be in here. Um, Robinhood, that's the name of the application. It looks terrible. Um, it's a terrible font. It's in all lowercase. It's just all over bad. So the next slide, great transition. I know that's your favorite. Um, this slide doesn't have any information on it, and it's not really going to help the viewer at all. Um, it would take a lot of just other notes to explain this. There's just not enough information. It's too vague. It doesn't give any. It doesn't help you give your presentation. Transition. Now here we have the review of points. So there's some really unprofessional language being used in this slide. Using all capital letters to to emphasize what you're saying is not appropriate. Using both a question mark and an exclamation point, not appropriate. Using a smiley face emoji is not appropriate either. The typeface is terrible. Doesn't look good at all. Again, inappropriate use of just unprofessional language. No effort given on this slide. This is also too vague. Uh, that's it for the bad ones, and then we'll spend the last 1/3 of this on the good ones. I think this is good because it looks professional. It keeps with the format and the overall aesthetic that the company originally intended. I used the company's original color palette. It looks good. That's their original logo. This looks good because it is easy to read. It's not too much information, and it really emphasizes the difference between the two things that we're looking at, the two options. And then this is a placeholder. This is just so I can speak without the audience being too distracted. So this is meant to be very vague and not loud. So that's my examples of what's good and bad to me. I learned a lot of that from the book, and that's it. Thank you.